wonderful kids and amazing parents. Welcome to Dr. Yemi's Fun and Faith TV, where learning God's Word is always an adventure. Let's raise godly kids together. Thank you.
Title 16. Engaging Crafts to Teach Kids the Importance of Faith and Righteousness. Oh, amazing friends! Welcome back to another fun episode with Dr. Yemi. On Dr. Yemi's Fun Faith TV, where learning God's Word is always fun and an adventure. Today, I'm so excited to share something creative, meaningful, and impactful with you. If you're a parent, Sunday school teacher, or homeschool leader, this video is your new toolbox. We're going to explore 16 simple, engaging crafts that help children learn about faith, righteousness, and God's love through hands-on fun. Each craft today is connected to a Bible verse or story, so your little ones won't just be creating, they'll be growing spiritually too. So, grab your craft supplies and let's begin our adventure together. Let's get started with craft number 1. 1. Prayer. Gratitude jars. 1 Thessalonians 5:17. Pray without ceasing. Give each child a jar and colored slips of paper. They'll write or draw simple prayers or things they're thankful for, then drop them inside. This helps them build the habit of turning to God daily in prayer. 2. Armor of God costume. Ephesians 6:11. Put on the full armor of God. Using cardboard and foil help children make shields, helmets, and swords. As they craft, teach them that faith, righteousness, and truth are God's protection for their hearts. 3. Fruit of the Spirit tree. Galatians 5:22-23. Let children cut out colorful fruits labeled with love, joy, peace, patience, and more. Attach them to a large tree poster. This reminds kids that living by God's Spirit bears beautiful fruit in their lives. 4. Faith bracelets. 2 Corinthians 5:7. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Make bracelets using colored beads, each representing virtues like faith, love, or hope. Kids can wear their bracelet as a reminder of their walk with God. 5. Kindness rocks. Ephesians 4:32. Be kind and compassionate. Have children paint small rocks with positive words or Bible verses. They can leave these kindness rocks in parks or playgrounds, spreading God's love wherever they go. Ace. 6. Cross mosaic art. 1 Corinthians 1:18. Using bits of colored paper or tiles, children create a cross. Explain that just like every small piece matters in their mosaic, every child matters in God's family. 7. Crown of Faith. 2 Timothy 4:8. Let children create their own crowns and learn that they are part of God's royal family. Teach them that righteousness is the crown that pleases God. 8. Blessings journals. Psalm 103. 2. Decorate small journals. Each day, encourage kids to write down or draw one thing they're grateful for. This simple habit helps children remember God's goodness. 9. Noah's Ark animal puppets. Genesis 9:13. Help children make animal puppets from paper bags or socks. Use them to retell Noah's story, highlighting Noah's obedience and God's rainbow promise. 10. 10 Commandments tablets. Exodus 20. Create stone tablets using cardboard. Children can write the 10 Commandments, learning that God's rules are given out of love to guide them. 11. Stained glass faith verses. Psalm 119:105. Using tissue paper on wax paper, children create beautiful stained glass windows that display Bible verses. When hung in sunlight, these crafts shine just like God's Word lights up our lives. 12. Sheep and shepherd scene. John 10:11. Let children craft cotton ball sheep and popsicle stick shepherds. Teach them how Jesus cares for us as our good shepherd, guiding us on the right path. 13. Fishers of Men craft. Matthew 4:19. Make fishing rods from sticks and yarn with cut-out paper fish. On each fish, write names of people they can pray for. This teaches them to be fishers of men, just like Jesus called his disciples. 14. Rainbow of God's Promises. Genesis 9:16. Craft a rainbow from colored paper strips, with each color representing a promise of God-like love, protection, and forgiveness. Remind kids that God's promises never fail. 15. Good Deed Coupon Book. James 2:17. Children create coupon books with simple good deeds like help mom with dishes or say something kind to a friend. Teach that real faith is shown in loving actions. 16. Bible Story Shadow Box. Hebrews 4:12. Using a shoebox, children build a small 3D Bible scene, like David and Goliath or Jesus feeding the 5,000. It's a creative way to bring God's word to life. Isn't it wonderful how these simple activities can help plant seeds of faith and righteousness in young hearts? Each craft is more than just art. It's a spiritual lesson. So, which craft will you be trying first? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if today's ideas inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss more fun, faith-filled content right here on Dr. Yemi's Fun Faith TV, where learning God's Word is always fun and an adventure. Until next time, keep crafting, keep believing, and keep growing in God's love. See you soon, friends. God bless.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Click here for more videos and playlists. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye. See you next time. God bless you.